繼續都係嚟到2023年嘅 Bio Paper One Boy 嘅題目啊，咁啊嚟到第九條啊，咁啊第九條啦，關於我哋一啲實驗題啦，咁啊今次嘅實驗嘅主角就係我哋嘅士多啤梨個 strawberry，咁一齊望一望條題目啦。咁啊，the diagram below shows the external appearance of strawberries and its vertical cut. The achenes found on the surface of the strawberry are the fruit. 咁呢個題目話咗俾你聽，原來我哋平時食士多啤梨咧，表面嗰啲一粒粒究竟係啲乜嘢嚟嘅咧？咁啊，英文叫做 achenes 啊，中文嘅同學仔叫做 straw，即係叫做我哋嘅瘦果。咁其實就係一啲 fruits 嚟嘅一啲果實啦。咁啊喺度，咁啊一粒粒嗰啲。咁啊中文嘅同學仔啦，我哋寫低先啦。其實就係解瘦果。哦。咁啊，我哋繼續落去啦，睇下條題目問緊乜嘢啦。咁啊，an investigation into the role of achenes in the development of strawberry was carried out as shown below 啦。咁啊，呢個實驗究竟佢個目的係做乜嘢咧？就係去睇個 role of achenes in the development of a strawberry 啊嘛。即係究竟睇下我哋呢一個 achenes 呢個瘦果嘅角色喺個士多啤梨嘅成長入面係點樣嘅咧？咁啊，有三個唔同嘅 treatment 啦。treatment one 就係個 achenes remain intact 啦，即係我哋個瘦果係冇俾人拎開到嘅。咁啊，實驗二就係 all achenes were removed on day one，即係所有嘅瘦果都俾人拎走晒㗎啦。咁啊，第三就所有瘦果都俾人拎走晒，但係呢啲 strawberry 咧，就會每日定時定候咁樣咧，都會噴射我哋一啲 auxin，中文嘅同學仔，即係我哋嘅生長素，我哋寫低埋啦。係啦，咁啊望一望條題目問咩啦？咁啊 Part I，complete the following table to show what deduction can be made by comparing result of the following experiment for the treatment 啦。咁啊俾咗幾個三個格仔你啦，一對比二究竟佢有咩 deduction 啦？二對比三有咩 deduction 啦？一對比三有咩 deduction？咁啊我哋逐個睇啦。咁啊睇咗我哋一對比二先。咁啊一對比二，一咧就有 achenes，二就冇 achenes，係咪？咁啊，佢哋嘅結果係點啊？大家 day one 都差唔多 size 啦，但係去到 day 二十日嘅時候，你見到有 achenes 嘅就好大粒，冇 achenes 咧都有少少生長咗嘅。你見到其實個 size 都有少少生長，但係對比有 achenes 嘅話咧，佢個 size 都係非常細啦，係咪？即係呢個同呢個對比就非常細啦，係咪？咁所以有咩 conclusion 可以 draw 到啊？咪就係講話原來我哋個 achenes 應該就係幫助我哋個 strawberry 去生長，去 enlarge 咯，係咪？咁所以個 deduction 咪就係講話我哋個 achenes，即係中文嘅同學仔咧就係瘦果 are responsible 啦 for the enlargement of strawberry。即係我哋嘅瘦果係攞嚟負責幫我哋嘅士多啤梨去生長或者變大啦，係咪？就係咁啦。咁啊，繼續落啦，話第二對比三，二對比三，佢哋嘅分別係咩？兩個都係冇晒 achenes 噶啦，即係兩個啲瘦果都係俾人拎走晒噶啦。但係三嗰個咧就會定時定候都會噴翻啲生長素俾佢啦。咁啊，又望一望個開頭啦，喺 day 一嘅時候，大家個 size 都差唔多啦，係咪？咁去到 day 20嘅時候，哇！你見到搭三嗰個 size 其實同一嗰個 size 其實差唔多喎，反而二嗰個咧仍然都係咁細啦，即係都係唔係好生長咗好多啦。咁顯示咗啲乜嘢啊？即係顯示咗其實 achenes 某程度上佢嘅角色同 auxin 好相似咯。因為而家三其實係冇晒 achenes 嘅喎，但係你都會定時定候噴啲 auxin 落去，噴啲生長素俾佢，而噴咗啲生長素之後，佢喺 day 20個結果係點啊？咪同一嗰個差唔多大細咯，咁咪即係顯示咗其實 auxin 咪就係攞嚟去幫助我哋去即係個士多啤梨去生長咯，係咪？就係咁啦。咁所以照寫啦，auxin 啦，is a plant hormone 啦，that cause the enlargement。咪就係咁咯，即係呢個嘅角色係咩啊？咪就係個 auxin 咯，即係顯示到原來 auxin 係幫助我哋去生長呢一樣嘢。好，咁啊繼續去啦，咁啊一對比三，一對比三，即係一個係有 achenes 啦，一個係冇 achenes 兼係噴咗 auxin 啦。咁其實呢個有冇一個 conclusion 或者冇咩 deduction 可以 draw 到啊？其實應該係冇嘅喎。點解？因為心水清嘅同學仔記住，我哋要 draw conclusion 嘅話，即係我哋淨係可以得一個 independent variable 啊嘛。 咁一個 independent variable 嘅意思即係一係有 Atkins，一係冇 Atkins，一係有噴 Austen，一係冇噴 Austen 啊嘛。但係而家三嗰個係點啊？冇咗 Atkins 之餘，仲要噴埋生長素落去喎，係咪？咁即係代表其實佢有多過一個 independent variable 啫嘛。咁所以咪唔揀得咯，即係冇 conclusion 可以 draw 到咯。咁所以呢度咪照寫咯，no deduction。咁個原因係乜嘢啊？就係因為多過一個 independent variable 喺入面存在緊啊嘛，咁所以咪冇任何嘅 deduction 或者冇任何嘅 conclusion 可以 draw 到咯，就係咁簡單啦。咁啊，繼續咯，去到 part two 啦。咁啊，based on the result, suggest one hypothesis for the enlargement of strawberry。咁啊，題目嘅框框啊，based on the result，即係你要根據翻頭先所有嘅 result 啦，去叫你講一個 hypothesis。中文嘅同學仔 hypothesis 即係我哋假說啊。咁啊，假說係啲乜嘢嚟嘅咧？假說其實就係希望同學仔即係未做實驗之前啦，就希望為呢個現象嘗試去作出一啲解釋。咁啊，佢呢個解釋係 for 啲乜嘢咧？for 個 enlargement of strawberry 啊，即係記住佢有框框嘅，係問緊究竟有咩解說係可以幫到我哋去解釋點解呢個士多啤梨會發大會成長咧？係咪？咁啊，同學仔諗唔諗到啊？好簡單嘅啫。Based on 上圖嘅 result 嘛，即係全部嘅 result 啦，咁啊即係顯示到其實我哋 Atkins 可能係就係負責產生我哋嘅 auxin 咯，咁呢啲 auxin 咪就係幫助我哋嘅士多啤梨去成長去變大咯，係咪？咁所以好簡單嘅啫，照寫 Atkins produce auxin 啦，com which cause the enlargement。咁啊，答翻晒條題目啦，因為條題目講緊 enlargement of strawberry 啊嘛，你咪答翻佢咯。咁啊，最重要係咩？我先 Atkins produce auxin。原來我哋呢個瘦果就係負責產生我哋嘅生長素。咁呢啲生長素就係幫助我哋呢個士多啤梨去變大啦，就係咁簡單。咁啊，繼續落啦，去到 part three。咁啊，有第二個嘅實驗咯，study and other treatment as follow 啦。咁啊，有第四個實驗咯。咁呢個第四個實驗係做緊啲乜嘢咧？就係啲 Atkins 喺下面個 part 就 remove 咗，即係呢個士多啤梨咧分開咗上下兩部分啦。你而家呢個虛線就係斬開咗上下兩部分，咁上面咧就仍然都有我哋嘅瘦果，而後面咧即係下面嗰部分咧就冇晒啲瘦果啦。咁啊，見到個 result 就係咁啦，即係上面好肥大啦，下面就好瘦啦個士多啤梨，係咪？咁啊，in terms of the experimental design，what is the advantage of treatment four as compared to treatment one and two？咁啊，又係答題嘅框框啦，講咗 in terms of experimental design，即係你要喺實驗嘅設計嘅角度去諗，究竟佢有乜嘢 advantage 咧？對比我哋嘅一同二咧，即係四對比我哋嘅一同二，佢有乜嘢 advantage 咧？咁啊，望翻一同二做緊啲乜嘢啦？一同二就係一個有 Atkins，一個冇 Atkins 啊嘛。咁其實你可唔可以同一粒士多啤梨又有 Atkins 又冇 Atkins 喺呢個兩個性入面唔得噶嘛？即係代表呢粒士多啤梨同呢粒士多啤梨，即係我而家圈住嗰兩粒士多啤梨，應該係兩個唔同嘅士多啤梨嚟噶嘛？係咪？但係而家呢條題目第四呢個實驗係點啊？係同一粒士多啤梨上面就有 Atkins，下面就冇 Atkins 啊嘛？咁其實佢有乜嘢 advantage 喺個實驗嘅設計入面？咪就係可以 eliminate 咗個 individual differences 咯，between 個 strawberries 咯。因為其實你好難，你世界上你係唔會揾到兩粒士多啤梨係一模一樣 size、一模一樣嘅甜度、一模一樣嘅樣貌噶嘛，或者一模一樣嘅形狀係唔得噶嘛，係咪？即係點都會有個 individual variance 喺呢上面噶嘛。咁呢樣嘢我哋去點樣 eliminate 到啊？咪就係透過第四呢個實驗咯。我哋只要用同一粒嘅士多啤梨，將上面嗰部分咧，繼續維持，下面嗰部分咧個 Atkins 就 remove 咗，咁我哋咪可以 eliminate 咗個 individual differences 咯。咁呢個咪就係當年想你答到嘅嘢咯。eliminate individual differences between 啲乜嘢啊？咪就係 between 個 strawberry and 我哋嘅 set up one 同 two 咯，就係咁簡單。有冇問題？冇問題，我哋繼續去啦。 咁啊，去到 part boy 啦喎，叫你俾一個 example，give one example of a growth response induced by oxygen and state its significance to the plant。咁啊，好明顯一加一嘅結構咧，因為個 and 啊嘛，係咪？即係分開咗兩 part 啦。咁究竟我哋喺書入面，我哋讀過有咩例子？咁佢個 growth 其實就係透過我哋嘅生長素去 induce 去刺激佢嘅咧。咁啊，對呢個植物有乜嘢重要性？咁啊，書入面其實用得最多嘅例子就係我哋嘅 coleopeptide 啦，我哋嘅枝條啦，係咪？咁啊，我哋個 peptide，我哋其實分咗兩部分啦，一個 shoot，一個 root 啦，一個係我哋嘅 positive phototropism 啦，另一個係我哋嘅 negative phototropism 啦。咁咧中文嘅同學仔即係正向光性同埋負向光性啦，係咪？咁其實呢度已經兩個例子，咁其實你講其中一個例子咪得咯。咁其中一個例子咪就係我哋嘅 shoot 啊，我哋嘅枝條，中文嘅同學仔，我哋嘅枝條其實係乜嘢啊？咪就係我哋嘅 positive phototropism 咯，即係我哋嘅正向光性咯，係咪？咁呢個正向光性有咩用啊？咪就係 make sure 我哋嘅枝條可以吸收到充足嘅陽光咯，係咪？咁所以佢個 significance 咪就係去 ensure the shoot receive light for 我哋嘅 phototropism 咯，即係 photosynthesis 啊，sorry，係啦。好，咁啊，答埋同學仔啦，咁啊，仲有一個答案當年都接受嘅就係 roots 啦，頭先都講過啦，因為我哋有正向就自然有負向啦，咁所以呢個就係 negative phototropism 啦。咁啊，中文嘅同學仔負向光性啦。咁啊，負向光性對植物嚟講有乜嘢 significance，有乜重要性啊？咪就係 make sure 我哋嘅根可以向住泥土生得穩陣、鞏固咯，係咪？咁所以呢個咪就係 ensure the roots grows into the soil 咯。即係唔會向泥土上面生長，一定向泥土下面生長啊嘛，咁你先可以扎根啊嘛，係咪？咁呢個好重要啦，咁所以呢個就係正向光性同埋負向光性嘅重要性啦。咁啊，唔知嘅同學仔趁呢條題目去記埋佢啦。咁啊，好快咁樣望一望個 marking scheme 啦。咁頭先都大概講過噶啦。咁啊，一同二嘅實驗，頭先講過一同二就一個有 Atkins，一個有受果，一個冇受果啦。咁所以顯示咗原來受果其實就係 responsible for 個 growth of 我哋嘅 strawberry 啦。咁啊，二同三個比較係啲乜嘢啊？就係兩個都冇受果噶啦，而三嗰個就噴咗啲 auxin，咁所以就顯示咗原來 auxin 就係個 plant hormone for 個 enlargement of 個 strawberry 啦。咁啊，一同三就冇任何 conclusion can be drawn 啦，因為佢多過一個 independent variable 啊嘛，頭先都提及過啦。咁啊，繼續落啦喎。咁啊，第二條 part two 問緊啲乜嘢記唔記得？就問你究竟有乜嘢 hypothesis 可以解釋得到呢個 enlargement of strawberry？咁最簡單嘅解釋就係話俾人哋聽，原來呢個 Atkins 係可以產生到 auxin，而呢啲 auxin 就會 cause 個 enlargement of 個 strawberry during its development 咁簡單啦。咁啊，去到 part three 就問你究竟呢個實驗四對比我哋頭先嘅實驗一同二有乜嘢好處？咁啊都講過啦，個好處咪就係 eliminate 咗個 individual differences 咯，係咪？咁啊，頭先拍波仲有一條啦，咁啊好簡單好快咁啊，叫你 example 去解釋哦，究竟有乜嘢係我哋學過嘅例子係可以解釋得到原來咧生長素係會產生呢個 growth response 個生長嘅反應，而佢嘅重要性亦都係啲乜嘢咧？就兩款啦，一個就係我哋嘅 positive phototropism by 我哋嘅 shoot 啦，咁啊令 ensure 我哋嘅 shoot 可以有足夠嘅光線去進行呢個光合作用。另一樣嘢就係 negative phototropic response 喺我哋嘅 roots 入面，就 make sure 我哋個 roots 係可以生長落去個泥土度去扎根，係咪？咁啊，望一望當年嘅 performance 啊。咁啊，第九條啦，就係一個 investigation 啦，去講個 role of Atkins in the development of strawberry 啦。頭先都開頭講過啦，因為 highlight 咗啦，去睇個 role of Atkins 嘅 strawberry 啊嘛，呢個咪就係我哋實驗個 aim 咯，個目標咯，係咪？咁啊，繼續落啦。咁啊，對 ability to make deduction 啦，deduction 頭先考過啦，即係個 table 嗰度叫你寫啦，experimental result 都要你知啦，係咪？咁啊，at the end the growth response of plant induced by auxin was assessed at part boy 嗰個位啦。咁啊，part A one fair 啦，20% 其實 嘅學生其實都答啱晒3個噶啦。但係最重要係咩？Most of them were not aware that no conclusion can be drawn by comparing treatment one and three because more than one variable had been changed。即係好多同學仔都仍然唔知道原來係冇 conclusion 可以 draw 到，因為多過一個 one variable。其實呢樣嘢唔係第一次考噶啦，咁所以同學仔咧一定要再溫書，因為去到今年咧，即係到2023年又錯啊嘛，咁即係代表往後嘅考評局又有機會又再翻考，咁所以同學仔一定要熟悉呢樣嘢。你見到一個實驗多過一個 independent variable，咁其實就好大機會係唔會有任何嘅 conclusion 或者 deduction 可以 draw 到嘅喎，係咪？咁去到 part two 啦，poor 啦。大部分嘅同學仔都答唔到啦，即係 only a small proportion of candidates were able to provide a sensible hypothesis。即係好多同學仔咧去到假説呢個部分咧就唔識嘅，咁所以呢樣嘢係難嘅，但係你要透過做多啲題目，做多啲實驗題去學咯。即係冇話一個答案可以俾你背到啊，因為你次次實驗咧都唔同噶嘛，你要根據翻當刻個實驗個 scenario 先可以答到。咁所以呢樣嘢就係好多同學仔覺得難嘅嘢。咁你點樣可以練多啲咧？你就一定係要透過做多啲唔同嘅 past paper 或者唔同嘅題目去熟習究竟 hypothesis 應該點樣去寫。咁我到 part three 啦喎，咁啊 very poor 咧就仲最差啦。Only a small proportion of the candidates were able to point out that this experimental design involved the same straw berry being subject to both the presence of achenes and removal of achenes, and therefore individual differences between the strawberries used in treatment one and two could be ruled out。咁呢樣其實講翻頭先我講過嗰樣嘢啦，就係因為你同一粒士多啤梨，你咪可以 rule out 咗個 individual differences 咯。咁呢樣嘢其實都唔係一啲好難嘅題目啦，但係唔知點解當年啲同學仔都唔係答得好好，咁所以你又要温書啦。咁到 part boy 咧就 satisfactory 啦，36%嘅同學仔都答啱噶啦。咁係一個照背書嘅題目嘅啫，因為你本書入面教過 oxen 嘅地方有咩地方咧？咪就係我哋嘅 shoots 同埋 roots 咯，係咪？即係我哋嘅枝條同埋根部咯，係咪？一個正向光性咧，一個負向光性。咁所以其實你有温熟書嘅同學仔，你熟悉個 syllabus，其實呢2分一定係送分嘅啦，即係 part boy 嗰2分，係咪？咁啊，總括嚟講咧，其實第9條都唔係一條好難嘅題目啦，即係佢個 scenario 未必係你 familiarize 嘅，即係佢個題目嘅設計題目係士多啤梨未必係你熟悉嘅嘢，但其實佢考嘅嘢都係呢一課平時考開嘅物體。咁所以理論上就應該要攞足分嘅啦，呢啲題目。咁啊，希望呢個講解幫到同學仔啦。